Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over are observing Martyrs Week from today to pay tributes to the martyrs who laid down their lives to free their motherland from tyrannical clutches of the past and the present oppressors. The week is being observed on the call of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, defying brutal restrictions amid raids and crackdown operations. People organized Quran Khwani and special prayer sessions for the Kashmiri martyrs at Mohalla, village and ward levels across the occupied territory. Similar functions are also being organized in Pakistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir and other parts of the world. On 8th July, martyrdom anniversary of popular youth leader Burhan Wani will be observed as Resistance Day, while the 13th July as Kashmir Martyrs Day in memory of the 22 martyrs of 1931 who fell victim to the bullets of forces of the then Maharaja of Kashmir. The APHC has urged the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to assemble in Burhan Wani's native town Tral on July 8 and Naqshband Sahib in Srinagar on July 13 to offer Fatiha for the martyrs. Illegally detained senior APHC leaders Shabir Ahmed Shah and Naeem Ahmed Khan in their messages from the New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail reaffirmed the Kashmiris' pledge to continue the martyrs' mission till freedom of Jammu and Kashmir from the Indian illegal occupation. The two leaders paid glowing tributes to the Burhan Wani, the martyrs of July 13 and other martyrs of the Kashmir freedom movement. Shabir Ahmed Shah said, unprecedented sacrifices of the martyrs have remained a guiding light for the Kashmiri people in their struggle for right to self-determination. Naeem Ahmed Khan said the entire Kashmiri nation is in debt to its brave sons who laid down their precious lives for the noble cause of freedom from India's illegal occupation. Chairman Sada-e-Hurriyet Uzair Ahmed Ghazali, while paying heartfelt homage to Burhan Wani on his 6th martyrdom anniversary, said the way Burhan Wani exposed Indian occupation and its atrocities to the world is a golden chapter of the Kashmir movement. He said the sacrifices of the martyrs will never be forgotten. Meanwhile, Indian troops launched cordon and search operations in different areas of Srinagar, Ganderbal, Baramulla, Pulwama, Islamabad, Shupian, Kulgam and Srinagar Jammu highway. Besides harassing people, the troops arrested several youth. 2 Indian soldiers were injured in a blast at a firing range in Jhulas area of Poonch district today. The blast took place when the soldiers along with other colleagues were engaged in training at a firing range.